Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another bigger video. If you guys are hearing noise in the background, I'm sorry about that. But it's all about this. Look.
If there's no work for the day, go look for something better. Go fly, go to the temporary agencies.
He makes this noise like picky. Oh man, he's not doing it anymore. Hi, Petey. Petey. Petey, Petey. Petey, Petey. You're fine. He does this a lot. Come here. No, I'm not gonna grab you. Come here. I'm sorry about this poop. He always tries to get me. He's so soft. Isn't that right, Petey? Yeah, he was just making this noise like, that's so funny with him. Oh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so that you guys never miss a new video. My gamer tag for Fortnite will be links in the description for the first one. It's going to be down there. And I'll see you. I'm watching Willy Wonka, not Willy Wonka, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Basically the same thing. So I'm going to end it right now. Like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you guys never miss a new video. And my username will be in the description. So see you later. Peace.